Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm excited to share with you some Happy Mail that I just received. It's been a while since I've done a Happy Mail video, so I'm glad to kick this Happy Mail series for 2021 off with one of my most anticipated items. Um, this is actually a product that I pre-ordered back in November. And due to some of the shipping issues just surrounding the holiday time and dealing with the Rona, it just is now arriving. So, but I opened up the box, and within the box was this packaging that was very cute and dainty, very girly, and I love it. And that made me more excited to actually share this unboxing with you. So if I've already taken it out of the main boxing, even the main boxing was sort of cute. So, okay. So here, she has a little note attached, which I love how she did the notes. Look at that. That is so cute with the little dolly. I love how she did this. It says, "Thank you, Larissa. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy your new Happy Meal. Be sure to tag us at the Pink Room Co. when sharing on Instagram. Thank you, and I hope you visit soon. XOXO Cindy." And she even put the little bow on the side. So this is so cute. I'm gonna start making my tags like this because that is adorable. And so I'm gonna open this one second because I think she just gave us like little additional gifts due to the fact that we got our products so late, which is okay. So this is from the Pink Room Company.com. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I love the simplicity of the wrapping of the tissue. And she even got this where, oh, you know what? I bet it's under this label. No, yeah, there it is. Cool. So that's cute. I love that. Planner babes love packaging, okay? Because you could buy so many planners, stickers, and all that kind of stuff from other companies. So when they do something just a little bit special, it makes it more memorable and like, ooh, I just love that. So, and then she has the envelope feature of the tissue paper, which was really cool. I need to save that so I can figure out how she did that. Okay. The box is pretty. It has some packaging stuff on here, I think. The Pink Room Co. That's pretty. Okay. Oh, so excited. Oh. Come on. Yes. Isn't it cute? This is a planner, you guys. You can hear the chain in here. So this is the planner. I probably won't use this chain, but the chain is nice to have, like, if you want to actually carry it sort of like a purse or put it on your shoulder. You could just do a lot of different things, but I probably won't be using this, but it's a nice option to have. And it has the clips that you could put on each side of the planner. Plus, I'm not thrilled about the color of this, but yeah. So this is like a rose gold cover. Has the little bow right here. I'll take the protective paper off of it. Come on. It's like a quilty kind of feel. It's very pretty. Has a pocket on the back. I put some stuff in here. And then let's open it up. This is a B6 planner. Okay. And took that out. Now, what's nice about this, here's the rings to add the chain to if you want to do that. You have a pin loop here, zipper with an additional pocket. This pocket is tight though. It's really tight. So probably something very flat will go in here, but very flat, very tight. Okay, and so this is a 6 ring, but the cool thing about this is that you not only have your slits here that you could put like cards or whatever in, and the slits have heart holes there, so you could do a lot of deco if you wanted to. You have a pocket on the back, and it has like the lining in here, like a dusty rose lining. You have some strings right here that you could put for travelers notebooks. And then what makes this really unique is that you get your 6 rings for your B6 size inserts, but this is removable. So for whatever reason, if I want to actually use my B6 planner, but I want it outside of the cover, I could do that. I could place it back in here. But if I just want to use this as a traveler's notebook, I could do that as well too. So that's sort of fun. And I guess if I wanted to, I could switch size, which I don't know why I would do that, but but I thought this was pretty cool, and I was really excited to see this, how she has this made. I don't know what you would call that, but it's bendable plastic, and it has the pink Room Co. on there. So I like that. So this is the B6 size. Again, I have an executive pocket here. I have some slots that I could put cards and decos. I have a zipper pouch here. I guess if I really wanted to, I could use this as a pocket and put some additional stuff in there, but I probably wouldn't, since I'll be using the ring portion of this. Pin loop. If I wanted to use the chain, I could use the chain. It has a snap fastener. I mean, this is cute as a clutch purse as well. Like, if I was, oops, try not to put too much pressure on it, but I guess I got to. If I'm coming from like a business meeting, let's say, and I'm going to a network event or a party, I can easily transfer this into a look of a purse if I wanted to. So I think that's really cool. And it's a metallic rose gold, so it definitely does stand out and will not get lost among my other planners. But that's cute. It's like a quilted product. I like it. So I'm excited to get this because now I can officially finish out my planner setup, lineup, and I look forward to sharing that with you. I haven't done that yet because I've made some changes already in my planner lineup. And so hopefully I'll have that finished in time by the start of February. So I look forward to sharing that with you. So again, that's the planner. This one is called Ivy, and I'll put her website down below. This is a Canadian company. So, and again, it has this chain that matches really good, but I probably won't use this. This would be cute as a belt if your waist is that small, or even a necklace, I guess, if you want to use it for that. Okay, so let me see what's in this additional package here. This is so cute how she did this. It's like a label sticker. Oh, it is a sticker, and it's cut in half. I don't know if it was meant to actually look like that, but it looks, I thought it was really cute. That was cute. I have to save that too. With another little dolly. She does sell washi tapes as well. Ooh, what is this? This is so cute. Here's a little freebie as a thank you for your support. Oh, she made envelopes. This is cute. I love it. It's so nice to see the creativeness of other planner babes, and she is a planner babe too. Okay. Ooh, I got a washi tape. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Now, her presentation is good. That's beautiful. Her business card is right here. Thank you for your support. I got a free sampler here. I guess this is her new releases that are coming up. That's pretty. This envelope is so cute. I love how she did that. This is so cute. I'm going to be playing around with that, seeing how I can copy it. That is adorable. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, that's pretty. It's like an ombre effect. A gradient effect. So you got your blue and it goes into purple, or purple goes into blue, and it has that rose gold foil on here. That's pretty. Ooh, this one is pretty. So this is that ombre gradient effect too, going gray to pink or pink to gray with the rose gold confetti and bows. So both of them are the confetti with bows. That's pretty. I would use both of these. So thank you. That's nice. You can get the stickers, the freebie stickers. So I love her packaging. Very pretty. So I look forward to showing you how I set this up. Again, I'm making changes to my setup, so hopefully I will be able to share my setup, my lineup in the beginning of February, but definitely by the end of February. So just to give myself some time to make the actual adjustments. So, but yeah, I love this. This is cute, very girly, and she has like a lot of colors. There was another planner that I really wanted to get, but I was like, okay, I already got enough planners. So I really treated myself to this one. So, but this is gorgeous. I love it. It's really cute and unique. I don't have anything like this in my planner lineup. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so anytime I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.